So you built out an epic employee referral program and rolled it out to your teams. But here it is a few weeks later and the referrals aren't exactly rolling in. Well, don't panic. There are a few common reasons that referral programs don't always get the results you hope. Today's hiring hack brings you 4 reasons your referral program might not be working and how to fix it. Number 1, uninteresting incentives. Asking employees to refer a friend or family member might seem like a small request, but their reputation is on the line. What if their referral doesn't get hired or they're not qualified? The best way to overcome these concerns is to offer an adequate incentive for when referrals get hired. If you might be wondering if your incentives are appealing enough, there's a super smart way to find out. ChatGPT. Nah, just kidding. Ask your team. Try sending out a survey with options that include a referral bonus, an extra day off, a gift card, or even a donation in their name. Then review the data and update your incentives accordingly. Number 2, overcomplexity. No matter how appealing your incentives might be, referral programs that are overly complex are discouraging. Try taking a look at each step of your referral program and then find ways to streamline it. Are you asking too many questions or maybe requiring too much manual data entry? Maybe your process isn't streamlined on a mobile device. These are just some of the questions that can help you discover potential issues. Number 3, underpromotion. Even if you made a really big splash when you first debuted your employee referral program, chances are pretty good you probably haven't really promoted it lately. We recommend promoting your referral program everywhere and often, whether it's a quick blurb in the company newsletter, something in your email signature, or even putting up physical signs. It's also a good idea to include your referral program in job descriptions so you can raise awareness with potential applicants. And you might as well reiterate the program in your onboarding process so new hires know about it too. Number 4, it's stale. Effective referral programs are living initiatives. If you try to ignore them for months or run them on autopilot, you're gonna have a bad time. By constantly revisiting and revising your program, you can maximize the impact while reducing the amount of time you have to spend on other sourcing methods. It's a little extra work that can go a long way. And that's it for today's hiring hack. If you could still use a little extra help, be sure to check out our free Ultimate Employee Referral Program Guide, which you can find at this link. Until next time.